In this video, I will solve your doubt about how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on PlayStation 5 or Fortnite and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you try to connect a DualShock into the PlayStation 5 version of Fortnite or any other game, you might notice that it's impossible to use. As of today, the way it works is, if you try to use a DualShock 4 on your PlayStation 5, you need to be playing a PlayStation 4 title. The only way that the console will recognize the DualShock 4 and allow you to use it is if you are running a PlayStation 4 version of the game you're trying to play, which means that for Fortnite, you are only going to be able to use your DualShock 4, aka your PlayStation 4 controller on your PlayStation 5, if somehow you are running the PlayStation 4 version of Fortnite. Besides running the PlayStation 4 version of Fortnite, there is no way to use the DualShock 4 on the PlayStation 5 version of Fortnite. Some matters have appeared in the past, but they either don't work anymore or introduce too much input lag, making it unplayable. So sadly, as of today, unless Epic Games or Sony introduce a way to use the DualShock 4s on the PlayStation 5 version of Fortnite, it is impossible to do. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware of how this functionality works. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.